Thank you for the huge support for the previous video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Here we see the best comments which we had received for the previous videos. Yes, there is an extra subwoofer port in this amplifier. If you want extra subwoofer, you can use this. Yes, you can connect an active subwoofer with this AVR by a pre-out subwoofer port. Yes, you can also connect a mic with this AVR receiver. This is the optical input port. You can connect an optical cable from TV to this AVR to get a good quality audio from this AVR receiver. And the next one is the audio input port. Here you can connect your mobile phones to get audio from this receiver. You can use this port by using 2-in-1 aux cable. And this is the FM antenna port. If you connect this, you can get a clear audio from the FM. The first one is the positive and negative of the subwoofer, and the second one is the positive and negative of the right speaker, and the third one is the positive and negative of the center speaker. And the next two ports are used to connect the front right and front left speakers. Using this knob, you can tighten and insert the wire and close this knob. It has a 1 HDMI output port and 4 HDMI input ports. And the first HDMI input port is used to connect a Blu-ray DVD player, and the third one is HDMI ARC port. Here you can connect a TV to this port to get a good quality of audios. You can also give your set-top box as an input by using that second and third port. You can also add an extra subwoofer to get a quality bass by connecting an extra subwoofer to the pre-out subwoofer port. If you want more bass from your speakers, you can also add an extra subwoofer by using this port. Next I show you the setup of these speakers. If you want a clear 5.1 audio, you can adjust each speakers by using the general equalizer settings. If you don't want this equalizer settings, you can also off them. You can also upscale your normal HD video to 4K by using this 4K upscaling feature. And the final one is the volume setting. You can adjust your maximum volume and initial volume by this. Next video I upload more sound test video from this system, so please subscribe to our channel.